Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. If you are getting the black screen error on your Windows system, so don't worry, it's just a one-step process to fix this issue. You have to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. Assume that this is the black screen. I will show you what you have to do. You need to just use your keyboard and few steps so now what you have to do, you need to just press Control plus Shift and plus escape button together. Okay, let's press Control Shift Escape together to open Task Manager. Then what you have to do, you need to click on Run New Task and then type your explorer.exe and you have to click on OK. Once done, it will open the file explorer and problem will be fixed for sure. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and you're good to go.